The Xiaomi 15 Ultra features a dual-tone design inspired by the Leica M11 DSLR, combining a sleek silver chrome finish with a leather texture, giving it a compact DSLR-like aesthetic. A newly leaked hands-on image reveals a back panel that's 1/4 metal and 3/4 leather, reminiscent of classic Leica cameras, with a design similar to the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, but with subtle changes in camera placement. According to a leak by Yogesh Brar, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra will feature an impressive quad-camera setup arranged in 2 rows. It includes a 50-megapixel primary camera with Sony's 1-inch LYT 900 sensor for excellent low-light performance, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera with Samsung's ISOCELL JN5 sensor, and a 50-megapixel 3x telephoto lens powered by Sony's IMX858 sensor. The standout feature is the 200-megapixel 4.3x periscope telephoto camera with Samsung's ISOCELL HP9 sensor, also used in the Vivo X200 Pro. The setup is complemented by dual LED flash and additional sensors, with special editions offering 1 terabyte storage, a charcoal black variant, and a full leather finish. Leaks from prominent sources, including hands-on video, support these claims, showcasing the phone's redesigned quad-camera setup with Leica branding and a pill-shaped LED flash. The device features a 6.8-inch display with a 120 Hz refresh rate and high-frequency PWM for smoother visuals. Powering the 15 Ultra is a 6,000 mAh silicon-carbon battery with 90-watt wired and 50-watt wireless charging support, and the Qualcomm 8 Elite chip paired with Hyper 2.1 for top-tier performance. The custom CPU is built on TSMC advanced 3nm process. Xiaomi incorporates Dragon Crystal Glass 2.0 with a silicon nitride layer, enhancing durability and scratch resistance. The device recently appeared on Geekbench AI, confirming the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. Although the prototype showed relatively low scores, this was likely due to the NPU engine not being fully utilized during testing. The listing also highlights the powerful Adreno 830 GPU, exclusive to the Snapdragon 8 Elite SoC, along with Android 15 and a massive 16 GB of RAM. For photography enthusiasts, the 15 Ultra is a must-watch, while the Xiaomi 15 Pro offers a more budget-friendly flagship alternative without compromising on performance. Additionally, Xiaomi is developing the futuristic Mix Z, also known as Zook, which is expected to feature gesture controls, pressure-sensitive edges, voice commands, and potentially a portless design with wireless air charging. An under-display selfie camera, previously seen in the Mix 4, is also expected. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is set to launch later this month, as confirmed by Xiaomi's CEO Lei Jun, alongside the Xiaomi SU7 Ultra EV. While an exact date hasn't been officially announced, a leaked poster on Weibo suggests the launch will take place on February 26th at 7 p.m. local time in China. Following this, the phone is expected to make its global debut at MWC 2025 in Barcelona, scheduled from March 3rd to 6th. It's likely to be priced around £1,299 in the UK and $1,640 in the US, though its official availability in the US is still uncertain.